Legal 17. Our present system of taxation has been the result of an evolution from circumstances rather than from a strict theoretical system. At the present time, we are too often accustomed to look upon taxation as a means of profit sharing with persons who have money rather than as a means of producing the necessary revenue to maintain our system of government. The present tendency is towards increased expenditures by the individuals, city and state, while in our industrial development the tendency is towards the curtailing of expenditure and economy in methods. The state of Massachusetts has been continually increasing its power until now it takes care of criminals. The sick in instance provides the military power and makes large expenditures for educational purpose in addition to the ordinary expenses of maintaining the various branches and departments of the state government proper. To pay these expenses, the state collects for itself a tax from the saving banks from certain persons receiving property by will or descent called the collateral, legacy tax from insurance companies, and 1/4 of the fees received by the cities and towns from their liquor licenses. Para. By far the largest amount, however, collected by the state is from corporation. This is called the corporation tax, while the cities and towns collect a tax on the real estate and machinery of corporations located there. In the great value of manufacturing corporation in addition to its real estate and machinery is its ability to make money. The silent land and buildings are worth comparatively little in comparison with the live active producing capacity of a mill or railroad in operation, and as the state creates and controls the corporation, the state collects a tax on its value as a living concern. Out of $9 lakhs collected last year by taxation from these various sources, the corporations paid nearly $6 million. This, however, is not all retained by the state, since the state returns to the cities and towns where the stockholders who own stock in these corporations live their proportionate this source about $1.5 million for its own use, but all these sources of revenue after the corporation tax was returned to the cities and towns would have left a deficit in the state treasury if the state had not levied what is called the state tax. This is a direct tax imposed by the state upon all cities and towns in the Commonwealth and amounted last year to $3.5 million, levied on the basis of the value of property in the various cities and towns. Boston paid the largest state tax last year, amounting to $1.26 million, and Gay had $35, the smallest. This state tax is added to the regular town or city and county tax, so that last year everyone who paid a tax on $1,000 to the city of Boston paid $13.20 for municipal purpose, 90 cents for county purposes, and $1.70 for state purposes, which includes the Metropolitan District and Armory expenses. Para. Some time ago, the suggestion was made that the state should retain the whole of the corporation tax and collect no direct state tax. Then the cities and towns, aside from county expenditures, would only raise money for their own purposes, and the state would have the entire benefit of the corporation taxes. It was found, however, that this would affect the cities and towns to so large an extent that the Special Committee on Taxation of the Legislature, which has been investigating the subject during the summer, has proposed a compromise and recommended the keeping by the state of so much of the corporation tax as is derived from Public Service Corporation, stating in its report as follows. Para. The principle that personal property follows the domicile of its owner and should there be taxed, whatever its value, should have little or no weight when the personal property involved represents none other than the tangible assets and franchises of great public service corporation. Over. Total words 700.